Hi guys, hi everyone. This is your Ashok. So I'm a BCA student, finally a BCA student. So this video is for BCA student, BCom, BBA, everything who want to apply for the MCA and MBA. So for both or them having the same procedure. So as everybody know in the portal, the application has opened. So before we applying, we should have some set of documentation. The documentation should include particular things. Okay. So let us see some of the documentation which is required. Okay. So for the PGCET online application, so they have released some of the new concept. So which is we need to follow. So the first, before you filling the application, please keep your all the documents in one particular folder or else in a hard copy or in any way, but you should be having in front of you, because when you're applying it you should not be feeling you doesn't have one document. Okay, so make all the documents in one place so you can be very easy. Okay, so the first thing is very important, the SSLC mass card. So you will be having a registered ID, right? When you just put that ID, it will automatically fetch all the data with your name. It will automatically display. Okay, no worries. You just take your register number and date of birth. Yeah, then the requirement of the your 12th and PU. Yeah, the both are same, right? So you should having this copy as well, hard copy and soft copy. Soft copy is enough because we are uploading, right? So soft copy is enough. So and the income certificates and cash certificate, so everybody has different, but the RD number please put very carefully. Okay, and if it is expired, please renewal it. uh, if you doesn't have time to renewal it, you just put the old one, means whatever existing number, RD number, you just put it out. But after your means your completion of again you're reading the particular renewal, you just update your thing. Okay, but now you can put the old thing as well, because the applications doesn't, I think, doesn't check it out. Okay, so but first now you put the old, and you, if you have validity, well and good. Okay, and we have some study details, where from LKG, first, second, third. Okay, where you have studied, just take an information, because in this platform, this time how they will ask, we doesn't know. So they ask, where did you study the fifth, 10th, okay, maybe 12th. Okay, 12th means all the information will be asked. You just select the information. If you don't know the college name or university or something, you can click other and you can just fill out the information. Okay, you just note down the things where you have studied. Okay, and degree documentation. Your degree documentation means, as I am a student now, I'm having fifth sem currently. So as I'm fifth sem, I have my degree documentation of the fifth sem with a degree of fifth marks card. And you should be not having the degree completion certificate, because as we are applying for the MCA, maybe we doesn't have any certificate. Who has already completed, those can put those degree completion certificate. This doesn't matter for the students who are currently perceiving the, okay, perceiving, don't worry about this. The photo requirement, the photo, take your passport size photo. I recommended, when you go for a shop and you take the photos, right, you take the soft copy as well. If you are not having any soft copy, when you have already taken the hard copy, right, take uh, download the application in the Play Store, doc scanner, scan from there and just convert that into a PNG. Then check it out. It is maximum KB, it should be 50 KB. If it is not 50 KB, you just go for the website and just convert into 50 KB, and the background should be clean. Okay, it will be there. Okay, then second thing is signature. Take an A4 sheet and just write your full, correct signature, and just take a good photo and make it as also 50 KB. And this is a very most important, the thumb impression. This time they have asked the thumb impression. So to make this thumb impression, it is very much easy. Take a A4 sheet. Okay, put the ink. Don't means, if you have the ink box, you just dip it and just put in the A4 sheet. So you will get full hand thumb of the left thumb they required. So after getting the left thumb, take the Docker scanner application, just take a scan of it. When you get the photo, just convert it. You doesn't require any hardware or software to get your left thumb. Okay, it is simple. Take an A4 sheet, put the ink, just as much as possible, just put a force. It should be printed your particular thumb. When the thumb is printed, use those, just take a good clean documentation and just convert into PNG, means JPG format. Then, and it should be, remember the 50 KB, and just save it. And in the time, in the next video, I will explain how the documents applying also. This video only the documentation, what are the requirements. And the thing is, the some of the advice from my side and important tips: use the clear image, my dear friends. Sometimes maybe if they are using some software which is not detecting your face, so it will be problem. So avoid the blurrish documents. You have SSLC mask card, you are taking black and white, this is fine. If it some of the thing is not visible, just keep those things, and keep all the files under limit. Means I told 50 KB, right? It should be inside the 50 KB. Okay, it can be 25 KB, it's fine, but it should be less than 50 KB. And use the correct format, JPG. Okay, if they are allowing PNG, fine, but try to just convert into JPG. If you're having PNG, go for a website and just convert into JPG. Yeah, and the final, check it out, all documents should, you just check it out, images should be resized, detailed information, and you are ready to apply. So wait for my next video, and I will explain detailedly how you can means complete your full application for the MCA and MBA. Almost similar for the MBA as well, but as I'm student of BCA, I will show you the MCA. Okay, so thank you guys, bye bye, all the best, and prepare well for the MCA, for the PGCET. Okay, thank you.